Welcome to Dunsborough Tulip Festival. This year, the Tulip Festival was all set up for the National Garden Scheme and Spinal Muscular Atrophy. We hope we inspire you and we can make you happy in this very difficult time. Well, the whole garden was done 25 years ago, and we replanted recently, and you can see a lovely cool white and blue palette. Tulips like Moraine, white Purissima, white Triumphator, spring green, Mount Tacoma and Clearwater. And then turn left, you get to the hot border, which gets most of the sun and also gives us the bright colors, the yellow, the red, the orange, like Beauty of Appledorn, West Point and Princess Irene. When you go to the kitchen garden, we've made parterres of the garden. We organize the tulips in a formal way, starting with softer colors at the entrance, like Pink Impression, which are tall and against the wall. We also like to mix the tulips. Beyond the Ginkgo hedge, there's colors of orange and yellow, and also purple and white. From the Dutch garden we go to the rest of the formal garden, where you can see statues who are very important to help you focus. There are of course the apple trees and also the blossoms from the cherry trees, and underneath the blossom we have planted Finola or Angelique, which reflects the same color as the blossom. When you walk into the white garden, it'll be a difficult garden to plant. We have planted lots and lots of different tulips. This garden is wonderful. It has a 300-year-old mulberry tree and a beautiful magnolia. The tulips are spring green, Purissima, Calgary, White Prince and White Valley. Going through the wooden gate, you suddenly find yourself in a very different part of the garden. A real joy while you walk from one meadow to the next. This year, the tulips are about 3 weeks early. I have all come out together with the bluebells, so it's a joy to see all the different colors. A real wow factor when you come over the bridge. We are so very sorry that you can't come and see it, but we hope that you will be encouraged to come and see it next year. See you all very soon.